Okay.
Look at you, my little baby boy.
Stop. Don't put that in the vlog.
So we're at Junior's basketball game, his league game. And the game starts in 45 seconds. And it's the crack of dawn. God isn't awake yet, so. There's Inky eating her Pop-Tarts. As I was saying, Inky and I are making suya. Get out! Okay. Inky and I are making, oh my gosh, that bee came back. You know the worst thing about when you have to grill out here and make like all this food? The bees. The bees and the bugs that want to come and smell the good meat. But yeah, so I'm making suya. It smells so good. If this camera had a smell-o-vision, y'all would be trying to jump through this vlog. Alright. Here's a challenge, vlogging and making suya at the same time. You need 3 arms for this. Alright, so let's watch me do my suya. So you have to make sure you cook it all perfect. Not too burnt, but you want it to cook all the way. Now these ones in the back, it's time to flip them. See this bee? This bee is what's slowing me down. Go away! I'm trying to make suya. See, this bee is like really like cramping my time. Anyway, as I was saying, I challenge anyone to call anyone to come challenge my suya recipe. Come challenge it. It's a secret. Sorry about that. As I was saying, my suya recipe is a secret recipe. So I would make a video showing you guys how to make it, but it's a secret. My mom was like, "Don't be telling anyone about my suya recipe." We were like, okay. It's a secret. It's going to be passed down from generation to generation. This is the ending of the suya. Me and Inky have our own little system. She strings it and I cook it. And it goes by bam, 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 so fast. Simple process. So yeah, my suya. I'll try a couple for you guys out there. So good. You know, like the best time to suya is like when it's like really nice outside. There's this one time we had to cook suya for an event, and it was the middle of winter. So you know you gotta cook this out on this grill, the middle of winter. You know, I bet people looking at us like, are they seriously grilling in the middle of winter? But yeah, that's how you have to get your suya. Grill it. Inky made it not too long ago, like last week or 2 weeks ago, in her apartment, and she doesn't have a grill, but she used the oven. And I have yet to try the oven method. Is that a bee or a spider? It's hot out here. I'm slaving over this grill. Yeah, she tried it in the oven and it came out really well. Okay, that was just a crumb. It wasn't a bee. Sorry guys, I just don't like bees. I just don't like them. Just don't like them. Okay, anyways, yeah, I just finished. Grill is empty and we are done. And we got 100 sticks. Out of our, so I go to 100 sticks. At the end we got 100 sticks. I think, mommy, how many pounds of meat did you use? 12 pounds?
Average of 12 pounds.
12 pounds of meat.
100 sticks.
12 pounds of meat, 100 sticks. Secret recipe to the suya, so I can't tell you guys, sorry. Hey guys, so we're taking family pics. And every year we do a different color, and this year We're doing blue. Blue and white.
Walk alongside me. My tires might hurt you.
What?
Don't walk alongside my car. I don't want to hurt you.
Okay. So we're doing blue and white this year. We've done red, we've done yellow. We did red. Schwanz!
What up, peeps? It's Gabe and Babe. No, I'm just kidding.
What is that?
These people that vlog, that's what they always say. What up, peeps? In every video. But yeah, hi guys. We're doing family pictures. Like my hair. Had to make it extra fresh for the pictures. Yeah. I chose. I was still going.
There's too many flies.
I wasn't done. So for this year's family pictures, I chose blue, cobalt blue shirts and white shorts. So this is my outfit. Yeah. Wow.
Back. Ow!
Okay, so we're gonna try another.
Fly got your ear?
Let's. Is my hair good, girls?
Yeah, it looks like it looked before.
Hey there, JJ.
Yeah, they're crazy kids. If you're not even vlogging us.
I was vlogging moms.
Hey there, crazy kids.
Oh, are you taking clothes up?
Of course.
No. Don't need that. Food. As far back as you can get my food.
You know who is the mommy and who is the...
Let's do the family first.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Get that out of the way. No, I want you right out in here. We're using all this as the background.
Okay. It was like a bug.
Or maybe you should like store something right here.
It's not a bug.
No, Mommy, how's it coming?
Coming well.
Mommy, so can you tell us what you made on these pots?
A pot of moi 55 cents. Yeah. Okra soup. Bubbling. Oh, Farina.
Mommy, why do you do that?
Fish pepper soup. Alright? Hard chicken pepper soup. That's ham. Made with ham. Oh no, this is fish pepper soup. This is stew. Hard chicken stew. What else do you want to know?
Who's gonna win the game tonight?
Excuse you.
Oh my god.
Stop. Miami Heat. Why would I stop? You don't like LeBron? They are winning today. Get ready.
No, this car's will be the fast.
Oh yeah. What happened the other day, 2 days ago?
Mommy, I banned you from doing victory dances today.
But did I tell
Mommy,
you
I
guys?
banned you from your victory dances today.
Pinky, what did I tell you guys about 2 days ago that
No
they're gonna
more-
win?
no more
But
victory
did you
dances.
believe that? No, you didn't
No more
believe
victory
me.
dances. That's all I'm saying.
It's gonna be a tough one, but I know it's gonna be a tough one.
No victory dances.
But I have hopes.
Okay. As long as you don't do victory dances.
I will. Wait.
Okay, we're good.
So here's dinner. Have my meat pie. Me and Key made these yesterday. My suya we made today. Got rice with stew on top. And my fish pepper soup. And moi.
Seriously though, life does not get any better than this food right here. Like, there's nothing in this world you can tell me is better than this right here.
Oh, you didn't warm up your stuff, right?
Yep, happens to me too.
Goals to win, and they are the 2013 NBA champions.
I'm gonna get a picture for you. Oh, look at your favorite pic. Huh?
So I'm gonna keep on sipping my water.
Mama, you happy with heat one?
Yeah. We won.
You need help.
That's being cut out. That's being cut out.
I think I'm gonna edit that out.
That's gonna be cut out.
One. You, what's wrong with you?
Difficult decision to make.
What's wrong?
I said nothing.
I warned you.
Hey, first of all, you're putting on a show because the camera's on you.
I warned you.
I don't know.
Didn't I warn you?
If you turn off the camera, Mommy just lost her mind. You turn off the camera. Turn off the camera.
Are you guys embarrassed? There's a pile of them. Inky, are those your battle shoes?
They're my sandals. We don't need battle shoes.
What about this one?
Hey guys, so we are going to go knock down a bird's nest because they're creating a little bit of trouble on our house. Inky's the backup.
Backup what?
Junior is the culprit. And I am the assistant.
We're not doing that.
Oh, okay.
That's why he said I have to bring it with me.
Junior, don't throw the broom.
I'm not gonna throw it.
Okay.
That wasn't a plan.
Okay, but the broom is. Do you want to practice? The broom is not going to slow you down. I promise you. That thing right there is not going to slow you down.
Well,
Hey guys, good morning. My eye is acting up.
feline. You don't even have glasses.
I know.
So what's your plan? You need to go put a cold.
Sorry about the haggard look, but
You need to go put a cold compress on it.
I know. I was thinking my eye is acting up, but I think it's from my contacts.
Yeah, it's called conjunctivitis.
It's not
You
conjunctivitis.
people look up conjunctivitis online.
It's not.
If you're a pharmacist.
There was something in my eyeballs.
Yeah, and then that gives you conjunctivitis.
No, it was like a little piece of dust, and it was like rubbing on my eyes.
AKA conjunctivitis.
No, it's not. There's no infection here. There's nothing coming out of my eye. It's just red.
Could be purulent in a few hours.
No.
Give it some time. Give it some time.
No. If it was conjunctivitis, I would have stuff coming out of my eye. Green, like green stuff. But it's just red and just itchy. That's it. So, it's not.
Just give it a few hours and it'll be purulent.
No, it wouldn't. Good morning, little baby.
Guten Tag.
Good morning, little baby. Look at you. Good morning, little.
Guten Tag.
Good morning, little baby.
Guten Tag.
Come and eat breakfast.
No, Becky. Let's say
Come
it
and
like
eat
Becky.
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 Bye.
Oh, you know that little
Come on
thing?
down.
Baking chicken.
My secret recipe, so I'm not gonna tell you guys. Just kidding.
What?
Did you see? Look in here.
I can't see though.
Upfront for 2 years. If you want a flat,
My thing is
if
gonna
you want a
die.
flat, they'll tell you for that 2 years you're paying them 700,000 naira or more.
And I will tell you the history of that.
That's the average. Then, if you really want to live up a little bit, then they tell you one.
Hey guys, okay, so I had to get my other camera, my other vlogger. Alright, so back to the story. Now, remember that day we were coming out and we were trying to knock down the bird's nest because the birds were rattling over there by our window. And we tried, Junior was too scared to do it, so then my dad came and brought his special tool. And then when when they knocked down the nest, the mom flew away and there was 3 babies in the nest and they fell. And 2 of them died instantly. And then the next day we came out here, and next day we came out here to see if maybe they survived, and there was only 2 dead birds, baby birds there, and the other one was gone, so we didn't know where it went. So we said maybe the mom came back and saw that one of her babies was still alive and took it away. And then we saw flies flying, you know, by the the dead babies and stuff. Who was really, yeah, if I knew there was baby birds, I would have said don't knock it down, but my mom was like, why can't we just take them and raise them? Well, you can't raise like wild birds. So now we found out that the mom took the alive baby bird and brought it down to where our hoses are, a little, like probably like 2 feet away from the nest and the dead baby birds. So we saw there's a little baby bird that's still alive, and the mom comes back and forth and gives it meal until it can fly. So it's just sitting there, you know, by our hoses down there, and the mom comes back and forth and feeds it. So we came out today to check on it. Was that necessary? Yeah. Wow! What? Gina thought it was necessary to shake a can and open it and let it fly everywhere. Why don't you just throw it away? Anyway, so now we came today, just now, and we came to see if that baby bird is still there and okay, the one that's alive, and it is. And it's just sitting there, and it's like breathing, like so, like cute. Junior. Junior. Wow. Seriously?
Yeah.
So the little baby bird's over there. I'll do a little baby bird's over there. I don't know how to zoom. Baby bird's right there. Get out. Little baby bird's right there. Right there. And see him breathing? See? And over there, that's the nest where, under the nest is where the dead ones are. But this is where the live one is, and he's growing. Because before he was so tiny, but now he's big. Regina, Junior, you look so cute in this camera.
Okay.
Look at you, my little baby boy.
Stop. Don't put that in the vlog.
Okay, guys, this is my new sewing machine. As most of you guys know, that I sew, and I had an older machine that had some difficulties, so I just got this one today. I got it from Sears.
Put the fireplace on.
I just wanted a basic machine, nothing too expensive, because, you know.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
I put the fireplace on.
Okay, that's nice. I didn't want anything too expensive, but anywho, this is it. I'm really excited. What is wrong with you?
Oh God.
Anywho, she's there was some ants on the floor, that's why she's acting extra. But yeah, so I'm gonna be making some traditional clothes for myself and for my brother, so that's why I got this sewing machine. So stay tuned for pictures of, well, I don't know if I can show you what I make for my brother because it's kind of top secret, but eventually when I make my outfit and my lace, my traditional clothes, I will show you guys, and I'll probably do my own separate vlog on making it and all that good stuff. All right. Okay. Well, that was easy. And you pull it. Oh, and it cuts it. Oh! It cut it.
Huh?
You just pull it and it cuts, and then it's gone.
You pull it where?
You threw this little thing right here.
I thought you had that.
No. I've never seen the bobbin like that. I've never seen that. That's new. Oh, I'm excited. Okay.